Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to print even length words in a string. So given a string as input to the Python program, so your task is to find all the even length words in a string and you have to print it. That is print all the even length words after finding it in the given string. So that is your problem statement. So let's try to solve this. So let me take a string variable and use the input function call to ask the user to enter a string. Yeah, so once the user enters a string, so it will be stored in this variable, that is string. And now, so let's take a print function and try to print a user friendly message, that is even length words are. So let's give dot dot dot. So this is just a user friendly message that I'm printing. So once we are done printing a user friendly message, so let's try to find all the even length words in a string. So we have to write a logic. So for that, let's use a for loop to iterate all the words present in the string. So let's take a temporary variable word and let's take the input string. So this is the keyword and we have to split it using the spaces. So let's use a built-in function split in order to separate each and every word using the space. So this is by default, it will try to separate by the spaces. So now let's use a if statement. So once we get each and every word from a string, so we have to get the length and try to check if it is a even length or odd length. So in order to check if it is a even length, so let's take the built-in function length and let's use the word and try to modulate it with a 2 and check if the remainder is 0. So this is if the statement is true, so then it is a even length word. So now what we do is if this statement is true, so let's use a print function and let's try to print the word. Yeah, so this for loop keeps repeating until unless it has reached the complete words in a given string. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So running the main program. So let me copy this same, that is a headline, and let me paste it. So you can see even length words are, that is Python to even length in string. So you can see right has been taken out, a has been taken out, so etc etc. So yeah, so you can see that is odd length words have been filtered out and only even length words have been printed here. Closing it. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print even length words in a string. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.